Now here's the way of thinking about it. The first atoms that formed were hydrogen. Like at day 2, if you imagine a 100-year time scale, because, 13 billion, 13 million, 13 trillion, what's the difference? Yeah, a bunch of zeros, right? I mean, we can't get our heads around those numbers. So if we imagine 13.7 billion years as 100 years, at that time scale, at day 2, all the hydrogen forms. All the hydrogen in the universe was formed at that time. In fact, our bodies are like 70% H2O. All the hydrogen in your body is 13 billion years old. You are a lot older than you thought you were. Okay, so celebrate your age. Don't try to hide it. Okay, so, and then then the galaxies formed at age 6 and 7 on a 100-year time scale. And then you've got the first generation stars. And inside stars, in fact, this afternoon we'll do a whole piece on who we are, where we're going, and the stardust piece will go into more in depth. But the atoms of our bodies are literally stardust. The carbon, the oxygen, and the nitrogen are formed inside red giant stars. And then the gold, the silver, and all the other heavy metals, any metals you wear, were formed inside supernova stars that then explode with this tremendous metal-rich stardust. And we've known this only since 1957. We're the first generation to have a relationship to the stars in this way. So at age 67, our solar system forms on a 100-year time scale. Bacteria at 69 begin to eat the photons of the sun. And then you got all this complexification of life. And I'm not going to go through all the details. We'll do some of that this afternoon. But where do human beings show up? Anybody venture to guess? 99 years, 358 days in terms of Homo habilis, handy human. Our species, Homo sapiens, speaking humans, where we use words, December 31st of the 99th year. The last day of 99 years, 364 days, the last day is speaking humans. So now, I don't know about you, but I think that indicates at least the possibility that the whole thing was not meant for us.